Welcome to Phone Transformer, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today, we're diving into the world of Android to show you how to enable the Auto Answer feature. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest guides and tips. Let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your phone and open the settings. Step 2. Once you're in settings, look towards the top of your screen to find the search bar and give it a tap. Step 3. Here, you'll want to type in call and wait for the search results to populate. Step 4. Go ahead and select the call settings option from the list. Step 5. Once you're in the call settings, look for the auto answer option. Found it? Great. Give it a tap. Step 6. Here, you'll notice the auto answer option is currently disabled, but not for long. Step 7. To activate auto answer, simply tap on the option to turn it on. And voila! You've now enabled the auto answer feature on your Android device. Congratulations on successfully setting up auto answer on your Android phone. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.